In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to stake and unstake your XRP on Firelight to earn staking rewards. Let's get started. First, head to app.firelight.finance and connect your wallet to the Flare network. Make sure your connected wallet already has XRP on it, as well as some FLR to cover gas fees. You can find the links to the XRP minting sites in the video description below. Once your wallet is connected, you'll see the deposits page. Click Deposit and Stake. Next, enter the amount of XRP you'd like to stake. When you're ready, click Start Staking. You'll then be prompted to approve XRP, spending sign the transaction. This allows Firelight's smart contract to access your tokens for staking. Once the approval is complete, click Finish Staking to finalize the process. You should now be able to see your newly staked XRP balance under My Deposits, along with vault details. And that's it. You've successfully staked XRP on Firelight. Withdrawing staked XRP happens in 2 steps. First, you initiate the withdrawal. Go to Withdrawals, click Withdraw Funds. Enter the amount of STXRP and click Initiate Withdraw. Approve the wallet prompt to burn your STXRP and start the process. Then, monitor and claim. Your request appears in My Withdrawals as pending. Wait until the approximately 2-day unstaking period. When it becomes Claim XRP, click the button. Approve the final wallet transaction. Remember, unstaking equals initiate plus claim. Return to withdrawals after the unstaking period to complete your claim of XRP.